Hi, my name is Alexander Hofer. I'm the head of the development department in ECI, and I started my professional career in the gas engine industry at Jenbacher Gas Engines, doing combustion system development for 6 years. Eventually I chose to join ECI in 2018 and have been there now for 2.5 years, working first as a leader of the customer service team and later on as a leader of the development team. Research and development plays a very big role in ECI's strategy, because we want to distinguish from other service companies by offering the customer improved products and not only OEM products. Secondly, we also listen closely to the market and the customers and their problems and needs, and in order to solve these problems we need to develop our own products. In terms of product development, I want to point out that ECI always weighs the 3 pillars of development, which are the performance, like efficiency, emissions, versus the robustness of the product versus the life cycle cost of the product. And we do not want to sacrifice one pillar for the others. So we always want to produce a product which has good efficiency and also good robustness and acceptable life cycle cost, or the other way around. And the second thing I want to point out in terms of development is that we want to make service-friendly components, and that is possible because we are in very close relation to our sister company PowerUp and their service technicians, which give us a lot of feedback from the field. We developed a range of products in ECI which all fulfill the needs which I mentioned before, and I want to point out some very important ones, like the Type 6 cylinder head, where we solved big cooling issues and valve wear issues of the OEM, and also the Type 3 4-valve cylinder head, where we improved efficiency of the engine by 2.5 percentage points. And furthermore, we also have our own engine control system, which is called EDI. This engine control system is very open and customer friendly. And one of the other things I want to point out is the spark plug range that we offer to our customers. We even have different engine manufacturers, spark plugs for different engine manufacturers, and they're in different engine platforms. The spark plugs, they have improved performance, like lower NOx emissions, improved efficiency, and also increased robustness, like increased lifetime of the spark plugs.